Welcome back. I am the Educated Idiot, and today we're going to show you how to install a quick and simple strut install on the tailgate of my 2016 F-150. And as you can see, everything clears. And it's a nice, simple, soft open as well. And realistically, just three simple tools: a T50, a 10mm, and a 3/8 drive ratchet, and you're going to be home free with this unit. All right, so getting started, we're gonna open up the box, which we already done here, and then we're gonna see everything that comes in this kit complete in front of us. You've got the strut. It's gonna help it close a little easier. That way it doesn't slam down when you open it up. You have multiple options for your lower brackets. You have an elongated hole here, and then you have your standard circle holes there. And then you have your upper mount that's going to go on the top bolt of your limiting strap for your tailgate currently. And then you also have a small vial of Loctite to put on the bolts that you remove. And then you also kindly ship you with a Torx Allen key that you can get that limiting strap bolt off with. All right, taking off the limiting strap, simply pull this back with a nice tech driver, lift up on the tailgate slightly as you see the camera move, and then set it down, and the other limiting strap will hold the tailgate in place. This limiting strap bolt here is a T50 and a Torx, simply on a 3/8 drive ratchet. Now the one they give you in the kit is actually too small for this particular application. This appears to be a T40 Torx, but nonetheless, a T50 is what is required to get this off of a 2016 F-150. The limiting strap bolt out of the way. Simply slide it through the upper portion and put it right back into place, ensuring that the button is facing downward. That is your upper portion. Simply lift the tailgate slightly back up, slide into the elongated hole, and now your limiting strap is back into place. Next step is to install the lower portion. Simply a 10mm on a 3/8 ratchet. There are two bolts holding on this plate to the tailgate, as well as the torsion rod that runs the length of the tailgate, so this should not shift in any manner. Simply take your lower bracket, face it north, and then simply reinstall the bolts. And your lower bracket's installed. Next is to actually get the strut itself installed. There are two ends. There's a solid fixed end, and then there is the actual strut itself. Now this end does rotate. It is a screw-on, but it will rotate as you move this, and you want them facing opposite directions. So one mounting hole facing one direction, and the other mounting hole facing the other direction. All right, and if you ever need to remove your struts, simply take a tech driver, especially the first time because it is going to be tight. Put it in the top, give it a little tap with the rubber mallet. That clip is going to disengage, and you can pull it up and out of the way and just simply remove the tech driver. And you can remove your tailgate if you need to, or like in my case, because again, I'm an idiot, I put this in upside down. So if you only got as far as installing these on the video, you did it wrong just like I did, so we're gonna take some time and flip this over now. All right, now that it's flipped over and in the proper location, re-extend the rod, clip it into place. With the rod removed, ready to reinstall, extend it into place, lock both ends in, and we're ready to give her a final test run to watch the tailgate fall. Everything clears, she latches into place, and a nice, slow open. No more having to worry about my 8-year-old being hit in the head as this thing thuds down when he opens it, or if you've got your hands full ruining the tailgate paint job. This is a small bit of accessory that can make a world of difference in your tailgate.